who is very inspirational. He is very inspirational because of many things. I go in at 8:11 and he smiles and says, "How are ya?" When he smiles and says, "How are ya?" I can swear my heart grows wings. So today at 8:11 I decided I should meet him. I decided I should meet him in a proper formal way. So today at 8:11 when he smiled and said, "How are ya?" I said, "Fine, and my name's Shanae." And he softly answered, "Hey." And I said, "My name is Shanae, and thank you for the extra bond." And he said his name was Taylor, which provides the inspiration for this song. Taylor, the latte boy, bring me joy, bring me joy. Oh, Taylor, the latte boy, I love him, I love him, I love him. So I'd like to get my nerve up and recite my poem musical. You like the fact that it's a musical because he plays guitar. So today at 8:11, Taylor told me he was playing in a band down in the village, in the basement of a bar. And he smoothly flipped the lever to prepare my double latte. But for me he made a triple, and he didn't think I knew. But I saw him flip the lever, and for me he made a triple. And I knew that triple latte meant that Taylor loved me too. I said, "What time are you playing? And thank you for the extra skin." He said, "Keep the 3